Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make the Snapchat AI say anything. So, it generally means that the Snapchat AI should reply to you or text you back something. So, I'll be guiding you with very much easy step guys. So, let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to chats and just go to my AI conversation. For Snapchat or my AI to say something to you or reply something to you, firstly you have to give a command, or let's say you have to ask something. So let me just say something like, how are you? And then it will reply you or say anything to you like that. So that's how you do it guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.